Hello, welcome to a brief introduction or training on how to use the buzzer system and the timekeeping for Hosa. I'm Natalie Lavender. I'm with the Pickens County College and Career Center, and here today I have some of our students who will be sitting in as potential candidates for Hosa competition. We're going to introduce to you now what you probably already know, but just to make sure everybody's on the same page with the layout for state Hosa competition. To my right here, you would have a table with some judges. Usually 3 judges would be present. The individuals at the judges table will actually be recording score and keeping the actual tally of the scores for the 2 teams. To my left, you have your scorekeeper, the person that puts the score up on the board here so that you will have a visual as teams as to what the current score is. Here in the center, in front of the judges table, is your buzzer keeper. This is the individual that will clear the buzzers, the individual that will set the 5-second, 10 seconds for the individual question ranges that you'll be involved in. So this individual will be keeping the actual time here, and you'll be able to visualize the time out on the front of the screen for the buzzer. Here at this table, you have 4 contenders on one team who will be the red team. If you notice the buzzers, they've got the red globes on them. Over here to this side, you have the opponent and the green team, and they actually have the green bulb, and they're seated to answer questions from that section. So you've got your red team, your green team, and all the key players. I myself would be standing on this side of the room. If I were the moderator, I would be positioned here reading the questions. So that's the layout of the facility when you arrive for competition. Now, I'd like to remind all of you involved in Hosa that the online guidelines from hosa.org are the official guidelines. So please take time to familiarize yourself and know those guidelines. I'm not going to stand here and read over those because you can read those. Our focus today is to see how the buzzer system works. So, at this time, the moderator, myself, would actually test all the buzzers. So let's go through that process real quick with our testing of the buzzers. Green team, A, B, C, D. Red team, A, B, C, and D. Now, that's the official testing of the buzzers. At this time, we're going to proceed with asking a few questions so that you can see how this process works. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the medical abbreviation that refers to by mouth? Red team, C.
PO.
Correct. That is correct. I'd like to encourage you all to please speak up where our judges can hear you. Question number 2. What is the caloric value found in 1 gram of fat? Green team, A.
9 calories.
Correct. That is correct. Third question. This individual is known as the father of medicine. Green team, C.
Hippocrates.
Hippocrates.
That's correct.
The judges have said that's correct. We would continue on for the allotted amount of time that is allocated for this event. It's found in your guidelines. This is the end of our instructional video. I hope that it's been of assistance to you to learn a little bit about the buzzer system that will be used at Alabama State Hosa Conference